Royal Air Force Ferry Command played a crucial role during World War II, ensuring the timely delivery of aircraft from manufacturers in North America to the front lines in Europe. Formed in July 1941, it was tasked with the perilous job of ferrying them across the treacherous North Atlantic Ocean, a route fraught with unpredictable weather and the constant threat of enemy submarines and aircraft. The initial step involved transporting aircraft to Dorval Airport, located near Montreal, followed by their flight to Gander in Newfoundland to prepare for the transatlantic journey. Despite the dangers, Ferry Command successfully delivered thousands of aircraft, including bombers, fighters, and transport planes, to bolster the Allied war effort. Pilots from various countries, including Canada, the United States, and Britain, flew missions under Ferry Command's banner, contributing to the multinational effort against the Axis powers. The C-47 Skytrain, also known as the Dakota by the British, was a military transport aircraft developed from the civilian Douglas DC-3. It was used primarily for transporting troops, supplies, and medical evacuation, but it was also modified for various specialized missions, including paratrooper drops and glider towing. One of its most famous contributions came during the D-Day invasion of Normandy on June 6, 1944, when it dropped thousands of paratroopers behind enemy lines. The aircraft also played a critical role in operations like Market Garden, showcasing its reliability under difficult conditions. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney R1830 twin Wasp engines, the C-47 could carry up to 28 fully equipped soldiers, or 6,000 pounds of cargo. Its rugged construction allowed it to operate from rough and sometimes unpaved airstrips, making it indispensable in both European and Pacific theaters. Claire Lee Chennault was a prominent American military aviator best known for leading the Flying Tigers, a volunteer group of American pilots who fought against Japanese forces in China during World War II. Born in Texas and raised in Louisiana, Chennault joined the U.S. Army Air Corps in 1917 and became a pioneering advocate of fighter aircraft tactics, emphasizing aggressive air combat and innovative maneuvers such as dive bombing. In 1937, after retiring from the U.S. Army due to health issues, he was invited to China by Generalissimo Chiang Kai-shek to help build the Chinese Air Force. There, he formed the American Volunteer Group, which achieved remarkable success against Japanese forces, using tactics that Chennault had long championed. After the U.S. officially entered the war, he was recalled to active duty and commanded the 14th Air Force in China, continuing to support Chinese ground forces with air power until the war's end. Operation Chastise, executed on the night of May 16 to 17, 1943, was a pivotal mission carried out by the RAF 617 Squadron, famously known as the Dam Busters. This audacious operation targeted three key dams in Germany's Ruhr Valley, the Möhne, Eder, and Sorpe dams, which were critical to the region's industrial water supply. Their destruction was intended to disrupt German war production by causing massive flooding and subsequent damage to factories, transportation networks, and residential areas. Central to the operation's success was the use of innovative bouncing bombs. These cylindrical bombs were engineered to skip across the water's surface, evade protective torpedo nets, and detonate against the dam walls at a precise depth. While the Sorpe Dam suffered only minor damage, the breaches at Möhne and Eder had an immediate tactical impact. It disrupted German war production and diverted resources to dam repairs and flood management. George Burling, known as the Falcon of Malta, was a Canadian fighter pilot and one of the top Allied aces of World War II. Born in 1921 in Montreal, he displayed an early passion for aviation, earning a pilot's license as a teenager. Eager to fight in the war, he eventually joined the Royal Air Force in 1940. Burling became renowned for his service during the Siege of Malta, where he shot down 27 Axis aircraft between June and October 1942. His exceptional marksmanship, Quick reflexes and ability to operate alone made him one of the most effective pilots of the conflict. With a final tally of 32 confirmed kills, including a shared one, he became Canada's most successful fighter ace of the war. After the war, he pursued various flying jobs, eventually joining the Israeli Air Force in 1948. Tragically, Burling died in a plane crash in Rome on May 20, 1948, under mysterious circumstances. Richard Bong was an exceptional American aviator and the highest-scoring ace in U.S. history during World War II. Born in 1920 in Superior, Wisconsin, he developed an early interest in aviation and joined the Army Air Corps in 1941. Bong excelled in flight training, rising to the rank of fighter pilot and flying the P-38 Lightning in the Pacific Theater, where his extraordinary skills swiftly earned him widespread recognition. His combat prowess was marked by precision and an innate talent for aerial dogfighting. By December 1944, Bong had achieved his 40th victory, solidifying his status as a legendary ace. His achievements earned him the Medal of Honor, awarded personally by General Douglas MacArthur. His legacy also includes his dedication to training new pilots and sharing his expertise. His life was tragically cut short on August 6, 1945, when he died in a plane crash while test flying a Lockheed P-80 Shooting Star jet. Born in South Dakota in 1915, Major Joe Foss was an American ace fighter pilot, Marine Corps officer, and politician. He developed an early fascination with aviation, inspired by Charles Lindbergh's transatlantic flight. He earned his pilot's license and a business degree from the University of South Dakota before enlisting in the Marine Corps in 1940. His heroics during World War II earned him national recognition. As a pilot with Marine Fighting Squadron 121, he became one of the United States' top aces, credited with 26 aerial victories. His extraordinary combat skills and leadership during the Guadalcanal campaign earned him the prestigious Medal of Honor in 1943. After the war, he transitioned into politics and public service. He served as the governor of South Dakota from 1955 to 1959 and was the first commissioner of the American Football League.
Jacqueline Cochran was a pioneering aviator and one of the most influential women in aviation history. Renowned for her skill and determination, she set numerous records during her lifetime, including speed, altitude, and distance. In 1953, she became the first woman to break the sound barrier, solidifying her reputation as a trailblazer in the field. During World War II, Cochran played a pivotal role in founding and leading the Women Air Force Service Pilots, a program that trained women to fly military aircraft in non-combat roles, allowing male pilots to serve on the front lines. Her advocacy for women in aviation helped pave the way for their integration into the U.S. Air Force. Cochran's achievements and leadership continue to inspire generations of aviators and underscore her lasting impact on aviation history.